Interested in turning $1,000 into $100,000? Charlie Munger's strategy can help. With patience, discipline, and smart choices, even small investments can grow big. How can we do it without any fancy tricks, just by sticking to simple, long-term strategies? In today's video, we're delving into the transformative strategy of Charlie Munger, a renowned investor whose wisdom has the power to ignite a spark of optimism and ambition within each of us. We'll explore how, through astute investing, you can witness the remarkable transformation of a mere $1,000 into a substantial $100,000 or more. So let's embark on this enlightening voyage together and unravel the secrets behind Charlie Munger's life-altering approach. Understanding Charlie Munger's approach. Before we get into the details of Munger's plan, let's take a moment to know him better. Charlie Munger isn't just someone who invests money. He's like a wise old friend in the world of finance. His way of investing is based on being sensible, patient, and always wanting to learn more. He's not into flashy, quick strategies that you see in the news. Instead, he believes in taking a calm, long-term approach. Munger thinks it's best to find really good companies, stick with them for a long time, and let compound interest do its thing. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a big, strong tree over time. The power of patience and discipline. In Munger's playbook, patience reigns supreme. He's known for his belief that true success in investing isn't about swift moves or constant changes, but rather about waiting. He often emphasizes the value of discipline, urging investors to resist the temptation of constantly meddling with their investments. Munger champions a strategy of buying and holding on to investments, allowing their true worth to grow steadily over time. This approach demands a resilient spirit, particularly when faced with turbulent market conditions. Yet, it's proven time and again that those who endure reap significant rewards in the end. It's not just about making money, it's about having the emotional fortitude to weather the storms and emerge stronger on the other side. Identifying high-quality companies. For Munger, it's all about finding those gems among companies, the ones that stand the test of time. He believes in putting money into businesses that are not just good, but really good, at prices that are fair. This means he's on the lookout for companies that have something special, like a secret weapon that keeps them ahead of the pack. He pays close attention to things like who's running the show and what the company's plans are for the future. Instead of chasing after trends or trying to guess when the market will peak or dip, Munger keeps it simple. He digs deep into the basics of a company, its core strengths, its leadership, and its potential to grow over the long haul. He's after companies that have what he calls moats, which are like protective walls that keep competitors at bay. And he's looking for a track record of steady profits, not just flashes in the pan. It's not just about numbers for Munger. There's a real passion for finding those diamonds in the rough, the ones that have the potential to shine for years to come. The importance of a margin of safety. In Munger's world of investing, having a safety net is like having a sturdy shield in battle. He talks a lot about something called the margin of safety, which basically means buying stocks at a bargain, way cheaper than they're really worth. It's like getting a discount ticket to a movie, but for stocks. This way, even if the market takes a nosedive or a company hits a rough patch, you're not left completely high and dry. Munger compares investing to playing bridge, where you don't go all in on every hand, but wait for those golden opportunities where the odds are stacked in your favor. It's about being smart, not greedy. By snagging stocks with a nice margin of safety, you're not just protecting your money from getting wiped out. You're setting yourself up for a better chance at success in the long run. There's a sense of cautious optimism in Munger's approach, like a seasoned traveler packing extra supplies for the journey ahead. Diversification versus concentration. One area where Munger diverges from conventional wisdom is in his approach to diversification. While many investors believe in spreading their capital across a wide range of assets to reduce risk, Munger advocates for concentration. He famously quipped, "Diversification is for the ignorant." Instead of owning dozens or hundreds of stocks, Munger prefers to focus on a smaller number of high-quality companies that he understands deeply. This allows him to capitalize on his best ideas and avoid diluting his returns with mediocre investments. Harnessing the power of compound interest. Now, let's circle back to the central theme of this video: the power of compound interest. At its core, compound interest is the snowball effect of earning returns on your returns over time. Munger understands that the real magic happens in the later years of an investment, as the compounding effect accelerates. This is why he advocates for a long-term perspective and emphasizes the importance of starting early. Even modest contributions can grow into significant sums over several decades, provided you give them enough time to compound, putting Munger's strategy into action. So, how can you apply Charlie Munger's life-changing strategy to your own investing journey? First and foremost, educate yourself. Take the time to learn about the principles of value investing, compound interest, and business fundamentals. Read Munger's writings, study his interviews, and absorb as much knowledge as you can from the master himself. Next, develop a long-term mindset and resist the temptation to chase short-term gains. Remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and success often requires patience and discipline. The importance of continuous learning. Charlie Munger is not just an investor, he's also a voracious reader and lifelong learner. He attributes much of his success to his insatiable curiosity and commitment to continuous learning. Munger famously advocates for the concept of mental models, frameworks for understanding the world, drawn from a diverse array of disciplines such as psychology, economics, and biology. By expanding your knowledge base and developing a multidisciplinary approach to problem solving, you can gain a deeper understanding of the businesses you invest in and make more informed decisions. Munger's emphasis on lifelong learning serves as a reminder that investing is not just about crunching numbers. It's also about understanding human behavior, market dynamics, and the broader forces shaping the world. Staying rational in an irrational world. In a world where emotions often run high and market fluctuations can trigger knee-jerk reactions, Charlie Munger preaches the importance of rationality. He famously said, "If you're not willing to react with equanimity to a market price decline of 50% 2 or 3 times a century, you're not fit to be a common shareholder, and you deserve the mediocre result you're going to get." This quote encapsulates Munger's stoic approach to investing, the ability to remain calm and rational in the face of volatility. Emotions like fear and greed can cloud judgment and lead to costly mistakes. Munger's advice? Stay the course, stick to your investment thesis, and don't let short-term fluctuations derail your long-term plans. By maintaining a rational mindset and focusing on the fundamentals, you can navigate turbulent markets with confidence and conviction. Conclusion. In conclusion, Charlie Munger's life-changing strategy offers a blueprint for turning a modest sum of money into a substantial fortune. By embracing principles of patience, discipline, and rationality, investors can harness the power of compound interest to achieve their long-term financial goals. Whether you're starting with $1,000 or $100,000, the principles remain the same. Invest in high-quality companies at fair prices, maintain a margin of safety, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders over time. Outro. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about investing and other interesting topics, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.